What's up, Crypto Degens? This is Crypto with Arun, and today we are going to discuss one of the most talked about cryptos, that is, of course, Ton. Because if I am talking about Ton, I believe everyone who is having Telegram right now has the potential to participate into the Ton blockchain ecosystem as well. But yeah, if we look at the ton charts, then it is actually heartbreaking. Breaking. Why? Because we are seeing ton continuously being dumped after the November 2024. And right now we have seen one of the lowest prices of ton in the past 2 to 3 years. And this video is going to be the complete technical analysis. And if you have ton in your portfolio, and if you are thinking to add ton in your portfolio, then I would recommend watch this video till the end. But first thing first, you are liking this video and subscribing to the channel to make sure that you are being stayed updated in the crypto sphere. And I have switched the chart to the 1 week. Why 1 week? Because this is important for you. I am right now in the November 2023. November 2023 had a very strong resistance of $2.5 dollars, and that $2.5 right now is acting as a support line for ton price right now. I am marking the same thing for you. So here it is the resistance line that ton break in the March 2024, and after that which ton gave a rally of at the highest more than 200%. Even on average it was somewhere between 150 to 200%. Apart from that, right now ton is forming a descending triangle, right? If I am seeing this particular thing, ton was forming a descending triangle, and ton has just recently break that resistance, that descending triangle as well. And if this breakout is actually successful, then we can see a slight pump of between $3.45 to between $3.6 from this current price level. And I have positions in ton right now. I entered ton around 3.1, I believe 3.16 or 3.06. There was a price level in which I took entry as soon as it broke the descending triangle, because I think all the sentiments in the markets are kind of turning bullish. The retailers are coming back, and because of this, ton might see a good pump. And let's switch the chart to 1 hour again. Yes. So this is the trend line on 1 hour. You can see this is actually following the EMA 250. That is of course good, and ton recently pumped. Like if I just switch the chart to 5 minutes, then you can see there was a resistance level at 5 minutes at 3.2. It broke the resistance and it went upwards. And even if I am looking back right now, from the current price level to 3.5, because I have the position opened at 5x leverage if I am not wrong. So 5x leverage is the perfect risk factor for me, being being opening a position in ton. So 3.2 till 3.5. So that is somewhere around 3 to 4% move that we can definitely capture on top of ton. And if this is very important, do not open the position without a stop loss. Why? Because it could be a false out also, right? And what I mean by the false out, because the descending triangle was being formed on top of ton, and if descending triangle is actually successful, then we can see ton dumping maybe till $2.5. And if it actually dumps till $2.5, then the sellers and the bears will have an upper hand on top of ton. So that's why take this position with the risk. But I am holding this altcoin not because of the technical analysis, but because of one more thing, that is the TACT mainnet. So TACT mainnet actually enabled ton users to directly interact with the Ethereum compatible chains, and that is one of the major upgrades, and I believe that can actually unlock a lot of liquidity for ton. Now let me know in the comments, are you holding ton for this particular trade opportunity or maybe in your bags? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated. And even if you want a technical analysis on one particular coin, just let me know in the comments. All right guys, take care, have a nice day.